Okay, so I know you guys have loved all the products that I've reviewed and done videos for on my Teslas, and today is one that I think a lot of you will enjoy and one that I'm actually particularly excited for. So this one is sent from Oscar and Hamish, and it is Frunkage, which is actually tailored luggage for your Tesla. This particular set is for the Frunk, and then they do offer a couple other things. I'll get to those later in the video, but first off, I wanted to go over this because I'm super excited for this. As you guys know, the Tesla Model S and X for that matter do have a particularly interesting layout in the frunk, mainly on the left and the right side. Both those little levels, it can kind of make it a little odd to put things in. They kind of designed this frunkage, as we will now be calling it from this day forward, off of those so that it can maximize all the space in your frunk, like I said, for both Model X and S. So without further ado, let's get into this, and then we'll get into all the little details a little later, along with some other offerings. Okay, so this is what you will receive when you order the frunkage, as we like to say. It's basically just your Tesla Frunk luggage. And this is actually the carbon fiber version, which you see here, it's got that nice carbon fiber weave to the front, nice logo in the middle, and just looks really nice and matches the interior too, which is always great. And then there are two side pieces in here. So there's one, and here is the other. So these side pieces actually do fold flat, which is pretty nice, but just open right up, and then you can go ahead and zipper them closed. And now with that cut out in the ledge, they actually fit right there. So that's awesome. Once you have some stuff in them, they'll sit a little nicer. They were just shipped all the way from England, so definitely a long ways coming over the ocean and being shipped flat. But as you can see here, they do have that nice little cutout. You could definitely probably stick some bottles of wine in there. I don't know, you could have some fun with this one. And then this actually expands and then fits right down here in the middle with both these right on the side. It does also include a nice little carry strap, so whatever you put in there, you're good to go. You could store, I don't know, toiletries in this one, clothes and stuff in this one, and just maybe some other things that you might need quickly in this one. It actually works out really well, and I definitely think I'll probably be using this hopefully on my trip to Custer. And the great thing about these is even with them in here, your frunk will close, zero problems, and even when you go to open it, zero problems. It fits nice and low in there. It is great to see how well everything fits in here. It's a little smushed down right now just because it was shipped all the way from England and it's empty, but they puff right up and it fits beautifully, uses every inch of space, closes, doesn't impede anything. But it's just great to see that these are specifically made for the Tesla Model S or X, whichever one you guys decide on, and it doesn't waste any room, which is one thing I know a lot of people have issues with because you never really know what you can and can't fit in this Model S Frunk and even the Model X because it is a little shorter. So now this takes out the guesswork. You know it's going to fit because they are specifically made for the car. But there actually are some other options and other items that they offer, and I kind of wanted to go over those with you real quick. One of which is actually a driving shoe, which I'm wearing right now, which you can't see. But now you can see it. It's actually a driving shoe. It's got carbon fiber on the heel, which I actually really love. This is the white version, but they do have them in a gray, a black, a blue, and a red, which actually can match your car, which the white does match. But a couple other products they make, these Model S 3-piece bespoke tailored luggage for your frunk, and they actually have this in a couple different options, as with most of their other luggage choices. Carbon fiber top, you can get a black Napa top or a classic, so there are several different options for whichever one you prefer. They do offer a Model S trunk storage. It's actually 2 bags. It actually looks amazing. They do have the Model S trunk pocket. So in the Model S, if you don't get the sound package, there are actually 2 holes on the left and the right, actually more like a compartment next to where you can put stuff under. There's not a lot you can put in them. I mean, normally I put like the fabric softener, or I put like the laundry detergent, stuff like that in there because it works really well. But those compartments oftentimes go unused. They do have Model X Frunk, they have Model X trunk, they have a complete set. They have all kinds of things, so definitely check them out on their website. And you know I don't like talking about things unless I can hook you guys up. So we definitely got the hookup here. I'll go ahead and put the link down below in the description. But you can go ahead and use that link and get 10% off your purchase. So if you find yourself wanting a set of these, definitely use that. Anything I can do to help you guys out, I will. And they do offer free international shipping. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below if you can see rocking these in your Tesla and what option you would prefer. I actually really enjoy the carbon top. I think it adds a little pop to it, and I love carbon fiber any way I can. If I could have the whole outside of my Tesla in carbon fiber, I would, but it'd have to be real carbon fiber. But that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Definitely though, as always, check out our website, teslainventory.com. Tesla just dropped like 300 plus used Teslas as low as like $35,000. Some very awesome entry-level Teslas there. So definitely check it out. And if you're looking for a new or inventory Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below or at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging and will help us get qualified for certain reward perks. So any help is certainly appreciated. But as always, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go and click here to subscribe, here for some more videos, and we'll see you on Monday. Bye. Oh wait, stop the music. We're not done yet. So our 4K Blackview Dashcam DR900S2 channel has arrived, and I'm going to be replacing out my 750S with this beauty, 4K Front Dashcam. I'll be doing that video on Monday, and then a Model 3 install coming soon, so definitely subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.